Today we're outside the Tesla car company, and I'm taking you on an exclusive behind-the-scenes visit. Let's head inside and vlog our way through the company gate.
Welcome to the future of manufacturing, right here at the Gigafactory. Our automated systems ensure precision at every step.
Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Tesla cars are built, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Confirming the shipment at Station 4.
Acknowledged. The robots are clear for the next sequence. Ensure the coils are secured.
The drone glides smoothly down a central aisle between synchronized stamping machines, passing over conveyors and material prep stations.
The temperature curve is fluctuating beyond the safety margin. Reroute coolant levels to loop 3 immediately.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Chassis alignment confirmed on line 3.
Copy that. Proceeding with battery installation.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how Tesla cars are built, to stand, from start to finish.